name is Jake Okechukwu Effoduh. I am an assistant professor at the Lincoln Alexander School of Law of Toronto Metropolitan University. We need to have a lot more public engagement about the impact of technology, and we need to remove the discourse from a more legalistic, high-level computer science conversation. We need to recognize AI as a socio-technical technology. Key areas of concern would be privacy, data protection, discrimination, and of course, accountability. So it's crucial for us as Canadians to stay informed about our rights, but also about the obligations of organizations that use AI, just to ensure that we understand the current legal frameworks and we can help Canadians better navigate and advocate their digital rights in this time. If we look at the Privacy Act and we look at the Personal Information Protection and Electronic Documents Act, these legislations are strong and they're adaptable to the age of artificial intelligence. And we see the courts interpreting the use of these laws to apply to this day and age. But of course, we would need further regulations to be put in place, especially in terms of data protection, in terms of privacy protection. But whilst we're waiting for these laws to come into effect, we can rely on existing laws to advance and protect the rights of Canadians. I think one of the very primary concerns is the potential for AI systems to exacerbate existing inequalities and maybe even introduce new forms of discrimination, because AI systems can inadvertently reinforce the biases that we currently know today. And these biases are embedded in the training data. And we've seen how some of these AI systems that don't have representative data or models can produce unfair treatment to especially marginalized groups like indigenous populations, Black immigrant women. And so with the lack of transparency and accountability, what concerns me is how this might pose significant risk to personal autonomy, to privacy. And so these are some of the issues that we deal with. And we want to ensure that we have regulatory frameworks that would keep pace with this technological advancement and ensure that Canadian rights are protected even in this age of technological revolution. People should not be scared of AI. They should welcome it with open arms, but with the trust that these systems have due accountability infrastructure and that they have the government behind them to ensure that the systems are constantly checked to protect Canadian rights and interests.
Watch and read more about disinformation, cyberbullying, and online harms at cpac.ca/disinformation-and-democracy. Regardez cette émission et lisez davantage sur la désinformation, la cyberintimidation et les méfaits en ligne à cpac.ca/désinformation-et-démocratie.